Hello, my dear friends. Raising millions of pigs using modern farming machinery systems has become popular in modern countries around the world. However, free-range pork is produced and consumed in large quantities by many countries. So how have farmers raised millions of free-range pigs and processed meat using modern machines? Here is the video. Now let's get to watch this whole video and enjoy it together.
Welcome back again to the Hardy Yemis. My name is Abraham and I wish you a happy new year 2024. Thank you so much for being part of this community of farmers where we talk about things that we make our farm a better farm, and also that will help us to be able to increase our produce and also to increase our sales and income. So I will be talking about free range farming and I think the awareness is not really there when it comes to free range farming, because I've seen so many farms in Nigeria that are not doing free range, big farms, like they are not involved in free range. And one of the things I've loved about pastured raised animals and free range organic is the nutritional value that they add to the body system, and also how healthy it is for animals to be free range. If you don't know, it is healthy for them to be free range, to move around, to exercise their muscle. So there is this video that I watched about a farm in Germany, in Netherlands, in one of the European countries, that I wanted to watch, which really inspire you that, hey, even you can free range pig. All right, what did I say? Pig. One of the animals that would be very difficult to free range is pig. Why did I say that? Because they bore hole with their nose or with their mouth into the ground. So most people love to catch them and most people love to keep them. But you know what? One of the best animals to free range, is pig. Apart from the fact that they will mess up the place, they will use their nose to dig into the ground, or they will use their mouth to dig into the ground. It is healthy for them. It is healthy for their meat, especially if you'll be selling their meat. If you will go into pork production, or you'll be selling their processing them, it is good for them. So watch how this farm is doing a better job, okay, raising pig on a farm, and it is a free range farm. They let them free range, and you will get inspired. You will get inspired, and you will know that you yourself, you can do the same thing. You can free range your pig, okay? Any animal can be free range, all right? You can free range any animals as long as you are willing to do the work required to free range them. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If this video has been helpful to you, like, subscribe, and share with other people.
Raising free-range pigs in Germany is a traditional form that has been applied meticulously and effectively for many generations, with about 10,000 free-range pig farms. Germany is one of the world's leading countries in this farming method. The livestock density of each farm ranges from 50 to 100 pigs. Farms are concentrated mainly in the south and east, where grasslands are abundant and the climate is warm. Temperatures in free-range pig farming areas in Germany usually range from 45 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is suitable for pigs to grow and develop.